Hey friends, in this video I'm sharing a recipe for taro and coconut milk agar mooncakes. A twist on the traditional mooncakes, these delicious chilled cakes make awesome treats for celebrating the Mid-Autumn Festival. For the coconut filling, have water, coconut milk, agar powder, and sugar. For the shell, have taro root, water, a pinch of salt, coconut milk, agar powder, sugar, vanilla sugar, and purple food coloring. To make the first batch of mooncakes, I'll be using these silicone molds. I'll use this mini muffin pan to make the coconut filling. I'll share all links to products that I'm using in the video description. To make the coconut filling, in a medium saucepan, add water, coconut milk, and the agar powder. Whisk together, combining everything well. Now let the mixture rest for 15 minutes. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it comes to a gentle boil. As soon as the mixture starts to boil, add the sugar and then combine together. Skim off any foam from the top and discard. Reduce the heat to low and continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes. Spoon the coconut mixture into the mini muffin cups, filling them about 3/4 full. Let everything rest until it turns solid, approximately 10 to 12 minutes. Using a small spatula, gently remove the filling from the muffin cups. To make the taro shell, in a large saucepan, add 2 cups water, the coconut milk, and agar powder. Combine everything together. Again, let the mixture rest for 15 minutes. For the taro root, use either fresh or the frozen variety. Chop the taro root into small pieces. Transfer the chopped taro into a medium saucepan. Add the remaining 2 cups water and a pinch of salt. Over medium-high heat, bring the taro to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat to low. Skim off any bubbles and discard. Continue cooking until the taro is soft, approximately 10 to 12 minutes. Transfer the taro and liquid into a blender. Blend on high speed for 15 to 20 seconds or until the taro is completely smooth. Again, heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until it comes to a boil. When it comes to a boil, add the sugar, vanilla sugar, and sweetened condensed milk. Combine together. Add the pureed taro and combine together until the mixture is smooth. Continue cooking over medium-low heat, stirring constantly for another 3 to 4 more minutes. This is an optional step. Add purple food coloring to brighten the color of the taro. Spoon the taro mixture into each cup, filling it about 1/3 full. Let it rest at room temperature until it's solid, approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Add the coconut filling, centering it in the mold. Fill the molds with the taro mixture. Pop any bubbles using a toothpick. Make sure the taro mixture is hot, and this will help to fuse the layers together. Let the mooncakes rest at room temperature until solid, approximately an hour to an hour and a half. Refrigerate the mooncakes until it's time to serve. Stretch and press down on the pan to release the mooncakes. Now just invert the mooncakes onto a flat surface. These mooncakes are delicious, chilled sweet treats. For the 2-piece mooncake molds, here's a trick to prevent them from leaking. Take some of the coconut mixture and brush it where the 2 pieces come together. Let the jelly set for at least 5 minutes before making the mooncakes. Make the coconut filling using any small dish or cup fitting inside the mold. The filling is typically 1/3 the thickness of the cake. Here's another trick for getting the layers to stick together and not separate. Gently pierce the layers with a toothpick. When you add the hot taro mixture, it will seep into the holes and help fuse the layers together. If the mixture starts to set, warm it in the microwave until it's a hot liquid again. Again, let rest at room temperature until solid. To unmold the mooncake, gently remove the top piece. Lift up on the outer ring to remove it. For square mooncake molds, make the coconut filling in a dish. Once it's set, cut to the size needed. Have a great time making these mooncakes, and happy Mid-Autumn Festival, everyone! Hi, I hope you've enjoyed this easy how-to video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post below. For full recipes, check out RunAwayRice.com. I work on new recipes each week, so please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. This is Trang wishing you good eating and good health. Thanks for watching.